Hi, I'm Neil Jones-Croft. I'm the Festival Director of the Manchester Film Festival. For the Manchester Film Festival this year, we ordered some hoodies, we ordered t-shirts, and we ordered some tote bags. All of our volunteers who come and help out at the festival get a t-shirt or a hoodie so that it's obvious to the filmmakers who are visiting or to the general public who are visiting who are the people to go to ask questions about the festival. But then we also like to give away stuff like the tote bags and the t-shirts to filmmakers who are coming over. And then we also sell some of the merchandise as well to people who are coming just to visit the festival. I would say the key benefits we've experienced from ordering from Clothes2order are the ease with which we could upload our designs, the fact that we didn't make any mistakes ordering our designs because we had someone coming back to us straight away saying, oh, this design doesn't quite work, there's elements in here that we might need to change. And we've got really high quality merchandise to give to our volunteers and filmmakers and also sell at the festival. The process of ordering was super simple. We had our designs done, and I could just send those designs straight through to a dedicated team member, and then they came back to me with loads of different suggestions, and the whole process was really easy from start to finish. The merchandise we've had this year has definitely raised awareness of the festival. We do a lot of marketing for the festival, but then one of the things I've really noticed this year is seeing people walking around the city with the tote bags with the Manchester Film Festival branding on. So having that visibility during the festival, people going around those tote bags, has been fantastic. I think I'm going to at least double my order of tote bags for next year. This is the first year we've ordered garments from Clothes2order, and I would say the quality of the products is much superior to stuff we've used before. The value for money is unbelievable. I would 100% recommend Clothes2order as a supplier for custom branding clothing. I can't see that I'd ever go anywhere else for custom branding clothing in the future. The service is so good and the quality of the products is so high. They just made everything from start to finish so seamless and so easy. They're 100% my go-to for the future.